Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how to add a time duration for a task on Todoist. So it's important to note that this is a premium feature, so if you don't have premium you cannot use this feature. But if you do have premium, there is two different ways to do this. So one is to simply go to your inbox or whatever date you want to add the task to and click on the plus symbol to add the task. Here you can either type in the task and how long the duration of the task should last. So let's say project with duration of 10 minutes. So when it highlights it orange, as you can see here right now, that means that it's gonna mark and set 10 minutes aside for this specific task. And if you have premium and you click add task, it's gonna have this 10-minute time frame. However, if you want to let's just move this. If you want to manually add this, simply click on projects and go to due date here, and then go down to the time all the way at the bottom here. And now you can set the time duration if you have premium. Alternatively, if you want to go to a specific date, let's say, let's go on upcoming here on the side and then click July 31st. If I wanted to set it to the 30th of July, simply go here, and now you can again write project with duration of 45 minutes, for example. And again, now you can see that this has been highlighted, so that means it's going to set aside 45 minutes for this task. And that's how you can add a duration on Todoist.